Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I have good reason, okay? I just had a baby and I'm finally starting to feel like myself again. I had to kind of rear back a little bit, get myself in order, and then here I am. And what better way to pop on with another video than using the Jackie Aina palette? I mean, you see my eye look, okay? You see this, you see what's going on here? If you wanna see how I created this look, just keep watching. Grab a snack, something to drink, whatever, because I like to talk, but I really made this really about the palette. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Okay, so starting off, I've got my brows done and my eyes prepped. I did not set my lid because I'm not sure which color I want to do, which color scheme I want to go with. But here is the palette. I'm sorry, I'm looking down, I'm trying to make sure. But here's the palette. And it is absolutely gorgeous. I already opened it. I just honestly put it back in the package for the purpose of today's video. And I had to rip it because, girl, this palette was tough getting out. But here is the actual palette. I think this palette is absolutely gorgeous. But here's the palette. Oh, look how gorgeous this is. Look at that. I cannot wait to use some of these colors. Like, oh my Lanta. So I think I want to kind of go with this theme, like green and yellow, or green and purple, green and yellow. So anyway, so yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a transition color. So I'm going to go in with the color Ginger right here. I'm going to go in with the color Ginger all over my crease. Oh man, okay. Oh, look at that transition color. It's beautiful. Wow. This is like the perfect transition color. If y'all hear any noise, it's my kids. It's Sunday. They start school tomorrow, so it'll be better, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to go in with Big Wig because I'm really thinking I want to do purple. So let's go in with Big Wig and we're gonna pack this color all in the crease. This color is freaking gorgeous. I love this purple. Yes. Y'all see that? Like, I'm doing this on my iPhone too, so if y'all can see the pigment from that far away, then you know you gotta get this, right? I don't really see any fallout. Like, I'm looking, I have that one of those magnifying mirrors. I don't see fallouts, and I'm using this really deep, intense purple. So, yeah, and I'm just packing that on. I'm just packing it on, and y'all can see that oh, this is beautiful. Oh my God, oh my Lanta. Wow, I'm so happy I got this. I'm so happy. I'm gonna take that fluffy brush like I had, and I'm just gonna kind of like spread it out just a little bit. I have to say this is like my favorite blending brush, and I love it. It's the JH30. I just kind of am trying to diffuse this as much as I can, just to kind of blow it out a little bit, but not out this way, more so out upwards, so it can go into that transition shade. I gotta keep looking. I got my baby over here in the sling, so I gotta make sure he's good. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Dollars. That's what, everybody's like, Dollars? Girl, it's Dollars. You already know. So I'm gonna take Dollars right here, and I'm going to place that all over the lid. And I'm gonna spray because I'm used to spraying my brushes, but I wanna try it before I dip it. So let's try it, or I wanna try it before I spray it is what I meant. So let's do that first, and then we'll go from there. So, oh my Lanta. Yeah, that's pretty. So now I'm gonna dip it and spray it and see how that picks up that intensity. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right here. That's what I'm talking about. I want all the intensity. All of it. I want all the smoke. All the smoke, okay? I do notice a little fallout with the shimmer, but it's nothing crazy. I like it better sprayed personally, but it does have beautiful color payoff without it being sprayed. I just like spraying my shadows personally. But this color is gorgeous. And I love how it's like that green gold, I want to say, but it's not gold, you know? It's actually, honestly, just really green. I like it. Okay, so quick change. I think what I'm going to do is place Sponsored, this color right next to Ginger. I'm going to place Sponsored in the middle just to kind of bring it all together. Because I put some more Big Wig on the side, but I kind of want to put Sponsored there. Just to kind of bring a gradient. The other side. Yeah, I love this palette. Oh, I love this duochrome. Like, I mean, it's not necessarily a duochrome. Like, it's definitely a green, but it's like a blue-green. It reminds me of the, and this may be a reach, but it reminds me of the blue-brown pigment from MAC. It's just a little different, obviously, because it's pressed, but I just love that. Oh, that looks so good. I wish I can do it up close, but Mama's gonna get there one day where I can have that extra fine HD dandiness. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my CoverGirl liner and I am going to just line my eyes. I did my liner, and then the lashes that I'm gonna wear, of course I'm gonna do some mascara, but the lashes I'm gonna wear are these LuLu lashes. I found this brand on Instagram, and these are just gorgeous, so I figured these would look really good with this palette. I'm just gonna place a quick coat of lashes. I'm using the BFF one from Colourpop. I will never, ever spend $20 on a mascara again. This is in the style Kady, K-A-D-Y. And these are absolutely gorgeous. And you know what's so crazy? I found these on Instagram through another girl that I follow on there. And I just thought her lashes were freaking phenomenal. And these were actually not expensive. These kind of remind me of the Lily lashes, but girl, those are way out my price range. Nobody. But these were like, I think these were 10 or 12 bucks, which is actually not that bad for mink lashes. For them to look like this, baby girl. So I think in the inner corner, what I want to do is place Trust Issues. I want to put Trust Issues in my inner corner. Oh, my Lanta, look how beautiful. Oh. You think it's white, and then you put it on, and it's like green. It's the color of money, honey. Okay, so now that the eyes are halfway done, I just have to finish the bottom line. What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to step off camera, finish the rest of my face, and then come back and tell you guys my final thoughts on this beautiful palette. Obviously, I'm loving it already, so I ain't got nothing negative to say. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, and then I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so face makeup is on. We are popping, and I just wanted to hop back on here so that I could finish up my eyes and tell y'all my final thoughts. Okay, I cannot woe for nothing. I feel like I feel old, okay? I feel old. I'm gonna take the color Ginger, kind of like I used in my transition, and I'm just gonna stamp that along my lower lash line. That's not really showing up. So let's just go ahead with Big Wig. We're just gonna pack Big Wig on. And we're just gonna stamp that. I'm gonna like really dig because this brush is so dense. And then what I'm gonna do is honestly take that big fluffy brush like I had, and I'm just gonna kind of like diffuse it. Because I kind of brought it down just a little bit lower, as you can tell, like right there in the pocket of my eyeball, I guess you could say. I just feel like doing something with some, like a pop of color. So I'm gonna take LuLu from Colourpop, and I'm gonna actually wipe some on my hand really fast. And then I'm gonna take some and put it on my waterline. Just to kind of create a little bit of color going there. Then let's see, for my lips real quick, I might as well just do it on camera. I'm gonna take the BFF4, the Makeup Shayla collab. And then I'm gonna take Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Honey. And I'm gonna hit it all over it. I know, baby, I'm almost done. You've been doing really good. Finally, I'm gonna take the Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss in the color Vanilla Latte. And this has become like my fave. It smells like a vanilla latte. It smells great. I love it. Okay, so this is the final look. I thoroughly enjoy this palette. Like, first of all, the packaging is A1. Okay, look at that. It shifts. I love the shift in the color. Obviously, the inside is freaking gorgeous. I mean, Jackie really pulled through for the ladies. Jackie really pulled through for us. Like, I really love this palette. I think that if you can get it. You know what I mean? Like, obviously the colors are so versatile. Like, you know, it's really beautiful. It's a really beautiful palette, and if you can support her, and not just support. I mean, this shit is dope. Like, the colors are dope. They work. There's actual colors that show up on us brown skin, but they're colors that'll show up on any skin tone. So I say, if you can get the palette, get the palette. You will not regret it. I love the way my eyeshadow looks. I keep looking in the mirror and down. I'm a viewfinder. But like, the eyeshadow is just so seamless, so beautiful. All the colors meshed well together. Like, even the little pop of color on my waterline, it just meshed well with that. Like, I mean, I'm telling you, like, if you can get this palette, get this palette. It's beautiful. I think it's sold out. But if it's not sold out, get your hands on it. Like, it's amazing. That's all I have for today. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate it so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.